Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix deleted pages in Goodnotes in 2026. Have you accidentally deleted a page in Goodnotes? Don't panic, you can often recover it easily. So let's see how. Now imagine you edit or create notebook like this in the Goodnotes. Now I'm gonna click and click on the notebook so it can load. Now here, but you accidentally delete a page in your notebook. Now, to fix this mistake, the first thing you want to do is to tap undo if you just deleted this. First, you're going to tap the undo button, that's the arrow here. As you can see, it's the arrow that is available when you edit the notebook. So if you delete the page, you're going to click on just undo here. It's in the top left screen. Now, alternatively, if that doesn't work, check your notebook history if available. You're gonna go back to your home page and check your notebook. You're gonna relaunch your notebook and see if it still has the update or the version from which you deleted the page. Yeah, you can also look in the trash for the entire document if it was removed accidentally. If you deleted accidentally your documents, you can always find this in the trash here in the trash section and restore from backup if needed. If you have your account synced to the cloud, you can restore your documents via the backup if needed and re-import pages if you have copies. You can also save the images as PDF files and re-import them by clicking on the new plus button and click on the import option. Now, deleted pages aren't always gone forever. Use these methods to recover them easily. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.